Shiba Inu community ramps up burn. Is SHIB ready for a rebound? For a while now, the Shiba Inu or SHIB community has been burning tokens. The goal of this burn is to decrease the quantity of the meme coin and hence raise its value. In today's video, we're going to look into the SHIB if it is prepared for a rebound as the Shiba Inu community steps up the burn. Let's see what we have for you to discuss. An ERC20 token called Shiba Inu came into the market in August 2020. Although Shiba Inu was initially merely made to capitalize on the rising popularity of Dogecoin, by the end of 2021, it had increased by more than 48 million%, making it one of the best performing cryptocurrencies ever made. In the last week, the cost of Shiba Inu has increased by 3.33%. In the previous day, the price rose by 3.59%. The cost dropped by 0.94% in the previous hour alone. Per SHIB, the cost is currently PKR 0.002307. The Shiba Inu is 67.46% less than PKR 0.007092 all-time high. The community has been stepping up its efforts to burn SHIB, even though there have been moments when the burn has not been as high as anticipated. Due to this, the amount of SHIB burned in the previous week increased significantly, which may have a beneficial impact on price movements. Since it was put into its place, the Shiba Inu community has been very dedicated to its SHIB burn. In an effort to raise the value of the coin, this burn was launched in order to decrease the quantity of the cryptocurrency. The number of burns has increased with time. Now, there are rumors that hundreds of millions of dollars worth of tokens are being burnt each week. Another week of burning SHIB. A weekly update regarding the burns is posted on the SHIB Burn Twitter account, which monitors the amount of SHIB being burned. According to the statement, about 400 million SHIB were burned during the course of the previous week. The 48 transactions that burned the SHIB tokens significantly increased the burn rate of the meme coin over the course of a week. Both the quantity of tokens burned and the number of transactions in which they were burned showed an increase of nearly 260%. 34 transactions totaling 108.6 million tokens burned during the previous week. Several initiatives have been put in place to burn SHIB as well. The SHIB Superstore is one of them. In the previous day, it burned more than 43 million SHIB. However, individual investors have accounted for the majority of the burns. Shiba Inu burn spikes massively. The number of SHIB tokens burned has significantly increased during the last 24 hours, according to data from SHIB Burn on Twitter. 23.3 million SHIB were burned over the course of a day. It represents an increase of more than 1,800% from the day before. 6 transactions were used to burn the tokens, with a single wallet burning the vast majority of them. 19.2 billion SHIB were lost in a single transaction from this wallet. But since then, there hasn't been any notable burns. Thus, the overall turn rate has stabilized. Currently, 410.4 trillion SHIB had been burned. This sum also comprises the sum that Vitalik Buterin, the inventor of Ethereum, burned when he received almost half of the entire supply of Shiba Inu in his wallet, while there are now about 300 trillion SHIB staked. SHIB is still in the game. Investors' interest in the meme coin has increased along with the utility of SHIB. Even with the sell-offs, some sizable accumulations have occurred. One of the most notable ones came from the 7th largest SHIB holder, who increased their holdings by billions of tokens. The whale had acquired tokens worth a total of $3.2 million in less than 2 weeks, according to Etherscan. These trades have lasted since October 13th for a total of 9 transactions. One of those deals cost $1.37 million for 131 billion SHIB. The whale's holdings now total $154.6 million. Despite declining, Ethereum whales' holdings are still substantial. Currently, the average top 100 ETH whales hold SHIB valued over $1.2 million. These investors are therefore remain very invested in the digital asset, notwithstanding the decline in price. Is SHIB ready for a run? The SHIB burn rate has increased significantly, but only when compared to the quantity burned the day before. When converted to dollars, it is not as substantial, and it is also not as significant when compared to the total supply of meme coins in circulation. Since the Buterin burn, the Shiba Inu burn hasn't actually had much of an impact on the price of the digital asset, and this trend is expected to continue given the little amount of supply being destroyed. Therefore, even though a 1,800% increase in burn rate is great, it still won't affect the price. This is clear from the fact that the digital asset has failed to reduce its price by a zero. Last week, it lost control of $0.00001, and it hasn't been able to get it back. To reduce losses, the market is still experiencing sell-offs, and SHIB is not exempt. More people would need to buy the digital asset, and more would need to be removed from circulation for the price of SHIB to significantly increase. This appears unlikely, though, as the cryptocurrency market's overall momentum is still weak. Shiba Inu burn not enough. Even though Shiba Inu has enjoyed tremendous market success, the amount of its overall supply means that there is a limit to how much the digital asset may increase. The SHIB burn is necessary because of this. Despite being a commendable endeavor, the SHIB burn hasn't actually reduced the supply of the digital asset. SHIB now has a circulating supply of more than 549 billion SHIB, according to data from CoinMarketCap. When compared to the quantity of tokens burned each week, it becomes clear that more tokens would need to be sacrificed and burned if the burn was to have any discernible effect on the asset's price. Hundreds of billions as opposed to just hundreds of millions. Shiba Inu are currently being burned in substantial amounts when measured in tokens, but when measured in dollars, they are actually fairly small. For instance, SHIB Superstore burned almost 43 million tokens, although the total value of those tokens was only about $443. Despite this, the meme coin has survived the down market. Over the weekend, it was able to rise beyond $0.00001 once more, increasing by 12% from its low of the previous week of $0.0000925. It is advisable to consider a cryptocurrency's price history before investing. This can help you get a sense of how it behaves in bull markets, which is important for predicting future price potential. The price of Shiba Inu when it first appeared on the market in August 2020 was $0.0000010. Shiba Inu gained speed swiftly, reaching a high of $0.000038 in May 2021. Shiba Inu saw a slump from June to August 2021 when Ethereum helped the market as a whole gain pace. Shiba Inu continued to rise, reaching an all-time high of $0.00008 in November 2021. This indicates that Shiba Inu provided investors with a 48 million% return on investment from the moment it entered the market in August 2020 to its all-time high in November 2021. A very exceptional return. To put this in perspective, consider that when SHIB reached its all-time high in 2021, everybody who had invested only $2 in Shiba Inu at its inception became a millionaire. Is Shiba Inu a good investment? Is Shiba Inu a wise investment? It is a difficult question to answer, given the significant volatility that characterizes the cryptocurrency sector. Nevertheless, there is sufficient information in the past price to enable you to assess whether SHIB is a worthwhile cryptocurrency to purchase at the moment or not. Shiba Inu is a meme coin that was specifically developed to take advantage of Dogecoin's 2020 hype. Shiba Inu has gained usefulness over time, in addition to being one of the best meme coins available. As an illustration, the Shiba Inu team has unveiled a Layer 2 solution that will aid in scaling and improving it even more for everyday payments. Additionally, Shiba Inu just unveiled a metaverse, providing it a foothold in a rapidly expanding market. Shiba Inu is among the cryptocurrencies that will probably experience a rise in demand as they continue to be accepted by the general public because of its vibrant community. Dogecoin currently has a lower utility value than Shiba Inu. Transaction costs are decreasing thanks to its Shibarium Layer 2 technology, which increases the currency's potential for adoption. Additionally, as NFT gaming develops popularity, a lot more people are probably drawn to Shiba Inu, with the recent debut of the Shiba Inu metaverse. This was everything for today. Add your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get updated news and our upcoming videos about cryptocurrency. Stay with us for future videos. Thanks for watching.